Today on Stu's cookery class, I'm going to be showing you how to cook eggs perfectly for you. Now, you'll see here I've got one egg that's already cracked out. It's in a little bowl or pot, and that'll just make life a little bit easier, but I normally just crack them straight into the pan, so I'll show you that as well. So I've got a generously full pan of boiling water, and it's just boiling. I'm going to whisk that round to make this whirlpool, so it really dips down in the middle. And I'm going to crack my egg in, and you'll notice I'm not dropping it from a great height, I'm almost touching the water, and that just helps to keep the egg whole and together. I've then put my next egg in, and it's really important if you're doing a few eggs to put them in one after the other fairly quickly so that they cook at the same time, so they're all cooked the same. Now you want the water to just be bubbling. You want to see some bubbles come up, but you don't want it to be rolling. You want it to be really gentle heat. This will stop the eggs from breaking apart. Now I'm going to check my eggs here. I'm going to lift them up and test them, and you'll notice I've got a little cloth at the side there to pop them on, and that's so that I can drain the water off before I put them onto my toast. Now I'll have a little feel, and the white's firm and the yolk is runny, but I like mine so the yolk's ever so slightly cooked around the outside and soft in the middle. So this is at about 2 minutes 30 seconds. That's perfect for a lot of people. But I'm going to do mine just for another 15-20 seconds. That's all it takes really to make a fair amount of difference. So you'll see here the yolk's a little bit firmer and the white's just as cooked as it was before. It's just been in the pan a little longer. So I'm just going to pop these on the little cloth, and this makes a big difference to how it is on your toast. Stops you making your toast all soggy. And if you have any of these little straggly bits and you're not a fan of them, you can gently peel those off with your fingers as well. Now that they're done, I've got my toast ready, and I'm just going to really carefully scoop under and pop the eggs onto the bread. Now, the softer your eggs are, the more careful you'll need to be when you do this step. And I'm going to cut into mine to show you how it's cooked. So this is about 3 minutes total for the egg there, and it's lovely and soft in the middle with a bit of cooked sort of firm yolk around the outside. If you like this video, hit that button and consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.